We got Buck going down the backstretch and Jay Flynn trying to chase him down.
Is that Jay's helmet?
Buck, you better hurry up, man.
Jay is a good driver, race car driver. He's getting up on you.
Buck, did you steal Jay's helmet?
Buck. Oh.
Did you steal Jay's helmet?
Hey, how about you guys fight for it, Buck? Show Jay how strong you really are, Buck.
I don't know. I think my money might be on on Jay.
Oh.
Get out of there, Buck.
Oh,
Jay don't even care.
He's going to forget his helmet.
We got debris on the front stretch.
Oh, we're following
Buck.
Buck.
You better hurry up. You got the UFO chasing you.
Buck, you are being followed, buddy. Don't turn around, Buck.
You're going to get abducted by aliens, Buck.
Buck, don't turn around. You got the spaceship after you. Buck, you better watch it, Buck. Look, that's a great shot at the pit area.
Jay, I'm glad you got your helmet back, buddy. That crazy Buck. That son of a Buck.
Yeah. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Buck. Don't turn around.
Buck, don't do it.
Buck. Oh.
Oh, he's trying to fight the drone.
Everybody knows Kung Fu fighting. Hi-ya. Oh, man, look at that.
He pulled some Houdini.
I bet Butch probably hired the spaceship to follow Buck around.
Ooh, you know what? I bet you Butch did hire it.
Oh. It's like cat and mouse. Who would think, out of all the people, would be Buck scared of a drone?
Oh, you got to be talking trash when it's on the other side of the fence, Buck?
Oh.
Don't make me come over there, Buck. I think Buck's coming off a turn 3 race, fans.
Oh, yeah, here we go. It is Friday Night SmackDown at the mighty Lebanon Midway Speedway.
I thought he was about to steal a four-wheeler, personally.
It is Buck, Nekkit versus the drone.
They're bringing the fight out to turn number 3.
Oh, watch out for the water truck. We don't
and
want
he just got nailed with the water truck.
The drone got nailed. Oh, here we go.
Welcome to Friday Night Fight Nights, Buck versus the UFO. I'm your host,
Here
the
comes
Fat
Jay.
Joe Rogan.
Here comes Jay. It's a tag team.
Hey, he just flipped you off.
I'm in my bed and I'll take you for a ride up city streets, down country roads.
All right, Buck, be sneaky now, okay? We don't want nobody to see you. You're all right. You're good. Superstocks 5-minute call. Superstocks 5-minute call. You need to be heading to the staging area. Superstocks 5 minutes.
Doo-doo.
Doo-doo.
Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Doo-doo.
Dude, he's going to end up in prison with Butch. Uh-oh, can you get it started?
Hey. Just start walking away with it.
Oh. If you can't start it, just push it, right?
Hey, Jay?
Jay.
You might want to come get your pit bike. Oh, I see Jay.
Uh-oh. Oh, here he comes. Oh, no.
Buck, you might want to get out of there, bud.
Jay. Jay, if you should have known by now, don't leave stuff unattended.
I ain't never seen Buck run so fast. Jay, you're going to have to drop a gear, buddy.
Hey, tell us the truth. Did Jay beat you up pretty bad? Did he get you?
You know, I can't lie. Jay's a pretty nice guy. He grabbed me by the collar and he said, if you ever steal from me again, I will beat you to a pulp. And I said, okay, sir, I'm done.
Well, you just got to quit that stealing or you're going to end up in prison.
Well, you know, turns out stealing's it's cheap, but it don't pay very good because you get in trouble and then they take your stuff away.
That's right. And you only end up in jail for one night. You know, the jails are so full they can only keep you one night.
And the food ain't no good neither.
That's true. Kitten said if you end up in jail, Butch can get candy back.
Butch better stay away from Candy. I ain't a fighting guy, but I'll fight a guy for Candy. She's just an angel.
She is? Well, she was up here.
Well, she's sitting over there, right there on the tailgate, right over there in turn
She
3.
is?
I can see
Well,
her.
she was talking about some cute redneck. Yeah, she was watching you.
Well, all dang. Oh, yeah. She likes me.
Who's that?
Hey, Shane, we got a car over here in turn number 3.5, and it's not moving.
The 32. Joe Francis.
Joe Francis over here in turn 3.5.
Oh, it looks like a piece of debris. Is that a drone? Is that the spaceship?
I don't know what's going on. Is that what that is?
That's a safety device, Buck.
That's that thing that goes around their back and their neck and supports them when they crash, ain't it?
Yeah. You could probably use that in the tree stand.
Yep, that'll keep you in your tree stand so you don't fall out when you're deer hunting.
Yep. Tell us, how was hunting last week? Was it good?
You know, it just ain't quite there yet. We're going to need to cut another few weeks before the hunting's right.
Well,
But I dumped out a bunch of corn and that game warden ain't found it yet, so that's pretty cool.
Well, I heard he came over to your house and checked your freezer.
He didn't find nothing. I've got real good at hiding my illegal poached deer meat.
Well, we're having a barbecue here in about a month or so you might want to get that ready. And we're having bacon wrapped Oreos.
That's amazing.
I know he's going to make them.
Bacon wrapped Oreos?
Yep. On the smoker.
God dang. All right. We still got a situation over here in turn 3.5.
What's the situation?
Well, there's a car that ain't moving. That's the situation.
I think he was just. Oh,
He's moving now. He's like the game warden of the racetrack. He
Yeah,
said, boys, something's wrong over here. Come look at it.
well, we got those firefighters over there. Did you hear about all those acres being burnt last weekend?
I heard about that. There was a whole bunch of firefighters out there fighting them fires because we was in a drought and everything was so dry.
I know. But hey, gas prices are going down.
They are going down?
Joe's doing good.
I'm telling you what. Oh, if I'm not gonna say it.
Okay.
We got a president. All I'm gonna say is we got a president. And he's doing stuff.
We do got a president. That's right. That's right.
Ain't nobody voted for him, but he's in there.
That's right.
Oh.
So the baseball player, the 33 of Anthony Ferreira.
Hey,
Here's your leader.
I heard he played for the Springfield Cardinals and the St. Louis Cardinals. Is that true?
I think it is, Buck.
God dang.
God dang.
I need to go get an autograph from him.
That's right.
We should make that a Tiki Talk.
Make that a ticket talk.
All right.
I just feel sorry for that lady sitting over there by herself on that tailgate. She looks all alone.
Hey,
Look.
whoa, hey now.
Look at her.
Hey, oh, they zoomed in on her. Candy's on TV. Hey, Candy, wave real big. You're on TV.
I don't think she can hear you, Buck. Buck, you're getting in trouble. Oh, there's Tom. Oh, Thomas is waving at her. Thomas, our cameraman.
Well, I'm glad somebody's waving at her. She's awful pretty. She's sweet to me. The other week, she made me a casserole.
Yeah.
It was Vienna sausages and saltine crackers. It was amazing.
It was? How's the baby? How's the baby
The
doing?
baby's doing good.
Betsy?
She was eating deer jerky earlier today.
You forget the formula? It's too expensive to buy.
I didn't know. I didn't have formula, but I had deer jerky, so that's what she ate.
Yeah. So do you think it's yours?
People,
Buck?
look at this phone here. People are saying, "Hey, what's up, Buck?
I know. Can we see? Well, what do you want to see?
What's up, Buck? Sup, Buck? Hey, Kenton, people are saying, what's up, Buck? Hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all need to be out here at the Midway Speedway. Look, we got 19 cars on the track right now. This is insane.
Y'all come
18,
see us
18.
now.
We lost one.
Green flags in
Here
the
we
air,
go.
Buck.
We're racing now.
Anthony Ferrer out front. Your leader is 64. And Pete Richardson in that second spot. The 33 is Steve Muhlenberg on the outside. Buck, they're going high and wide. Hold on.
Hey, I'm telling you what. They are running from the bottom to the top. We got a car in turn 3. Turn
We
around.
almost saw a T-bone steak
Yep.
over there.
That's going to bring out the yellow.
We almost saw the T-bone steak.